वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स, आज हमने एस्से राइटिंग करनी है ईमेल मार्केटिंग पे। तो वीडियो शुरू करने से पहले प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा, वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिएगा और बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर दीजिएगा ताकि मेरी हर आने वाली नई वीडियो आप तक बआसानी पहुंच सके। तो शुरू करते हैं हम। Email marketing is a way for reaching the customers directly through the electronic mail. Email marketing has become one of the trending modes of communications these days. It is also being used by the business people for promoting their products and services. Nowadays, the main motive of email marketing is mainly the promotion of products and services. It is one of the fragments of internet marketing that includes online marketing through websites, blogs, social medias, etc. It is just like the direct mailing, except the fact of sending mail by the postal service. Email marketing is considered as the significant tool for the business website, as it not only helps them in a brand recognition but also helps them in. Email marketing has an ability many channels don't, creating valuable personal touches at scale. As we compare email marketing with the mainstream marketing channels, then the cost of email is very low. There are no costs associated with the postage and printing. Even there is no fee paid in exchange for the exposure on billboard, television channel, or a magazine. The advertisers of email may consider the investment in specific software for the purpose of automation, tracking, and evaluating the emails. This is one of the benefits which is provided by the email marketing. Computers can't do it all. There's no substitute for creative, clever, compassionate human marketers. थैंक यू। मैं उम्मीद करती हूँ आपको वीडियो पसंद आई होगी। प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा, वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिएगा और बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर दीजिएगा। थैंक यू। अल्लाह हाफिज़।